And then what about the y coordinates? Plus, what are my y coordinates for this one? Y coordinates, 5 and 1. Again, order doesn't matter. 5 minus 1 squared. Okay, here we go. And again, all I would like to see personally, as far as work shown, is what you plugged in. Where you go from here, how many steps you do in your head, that's up to you. All right, 4 minus 2. 2 squared. 4 plus 5 minus 1. 4 squared. 16. This is kind of coming like Pythagorean theorem above. What I don't want you to do, and this is a rookie mistake here, you don't square root them yet. You have to add them first, all right? Don't square root each of them. You have to add them first. So 4 and 16, 20. Oh, hey, shocker, right? 20. And then we know that breaks up. I'm not going to ask you again. 2 square root of 5. Okay, distance formula can be used for anything. Go ahead, Julia.
So are there any situations where you can't use Pythagorean theorem and you have to use the distance formula?
No, but like I said, if you use decimals, like you can, if you use decimals, like here, when I went from 2 to 4, I went 2 units, right? When I went from 1 to 5, I went 4 units. So even if it were decimals, you could still get away using Pythagorean theorem. You would just have to see in your head, okay, how many units am I going on the x-axis? How many am I going on the y? And that would be your a and b value that you're squaring. Okay, so either one, whatever you prefer. I'm never going to force you to do one or the other. Okay, questions, comments, distance formula. Let's keep using it. Yeah, here we go. Pinwheels. Everybody see that one? Pinwheels. Here you go, 3. Just a basic distance formula 1. Write your answer in simplest radical form. What do we want to do? Pythagore distance here. Okay, I'll decide. I'm just going to use distance for now. You guys have experience in Pythag, so I'm confident you can use Pythag. I just want to use distance formula just to get used to it. All right, let's start hearing from some of your beautiful voices. Frank, here we go. Give me the x coordinates. Again, order doesn't matter, so I could go 2 minus 6, or I can go 6 minus a negative 2. Squared. Plus. How about my y coordinates, Braden? Okay, I'm going to go reverse there. Just because of the following. Hey, everyone take a look. 6 minus a negative 2 is going to turn into? Okay, just be careful of that, all right? Be careful when you're dealing with the 2 negatives. All right, let's go inside now. Negative 2 minus 6, and then we'll square it all. Negative 2 minus 6, negative 8, square it. 64, perfect, guys, nice job. And then 6 plus 2, and then square it. 64 as well. All right, let's keep working. So I get the square root of 128, and directions do say simplest radical form. So I need a little help breaking that down, and just a little hint, you kind of already did break it down. Look at your previous work. What's the biggest perfect square that goes into 128? 64, yeah. How many times? Twice. And guys, again, I'm going through this quick. If you're having issues with it, come on in. All right. Square root of 64. 8. Radical 2. Boom! Any questions? How are we feeling with this? Because now we have to actually read. Sorry. Anybody need assistance? Ask somebody around you. We're good. Whew! All right, let's do this reading thing. Oh, the United States Capitol. 100 meters south and 2,300 meters east of the White House. Perfect. Where's the White House located? At the, ooh, there's a big math word. Where's the White House located? At the origin, also known as what coordinate? 0, 0, yep. What's the distance between the Capitol and the White House? Okay, so I know at least the White House is what, 0, 0? That's got coordinate 0, 0. But what would be the coordinate of the Capitol? Because I need two coordinates here if I'm going to do Pythag or distance formula. I know, let's visually see this right now then. So if I just draw a quick sketch, I call a ghetto graph. Here is the White House. Okay, ready? Where is the Capitol located from the White House? Ready? 800 meters south and 2,300 meters east. So 800 meters south, 2,300 meters east. And if you guys need help, here you go. Where everything is. Course we're in again? So I'm going to ask an honors question right now. What quadrant is the Capitol in? 800 meters south and 2,300 meters east. I don't want to know the coordinate of it. At least just tell me what quadrant this bad boy is going to be in. What do you got, Joanna? Quadrant 4, which is this one right here. Yes, the Capitol will be somewhere here. Now, what's going to be its coordinates? Be careful when you tell me this. Be careful. Actually, I need, remember, because the x coordinate goes first. X coordinate. What do you got, Ethan? Nice job. Everyone see that? Hey, the tricky part is 800 meters south, but that's the y coordinate, isn't it? And that goes second. So that's why he put negative 800, 2,300 east. That's in the positive direction. So that's why it's positive 2,300 for his x coordinate. Everyone all right? Okay, so now I'll leave it up to you guys right now. You can do distance or Pythag within your group. All right, once you're done, check your answer with your group and we'll see if we all match. Okay, so go ahead, find the distance, please. Find the distance. And again, hey, this is a rare opportunity. You get to round to the nearest meter. All right, so I'm not asking simplest radical form here, round to the nearest meter. So actually type that radical into your calculator and find to the nearest meter. And again, whatever you prefer, Pythag or distance formula. Anybody getting scared off by these large numbers?